two squares. That is x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Type 4, difference of two squares. That is page number 71. So already we know that a square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. Or either we can write it as x square minus y square is equal to what? X plus y into x minus. So difference
X minus 5.
Difference of two squares. So which are the two squares? A square and b square. So difference of these two squares means a square is a square and b square another square. Difference of these squares means a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So using that formula we have to do exercise 5c. So factorize first one, 25a square minus 9b square. 25a square minus 9b square.
Ma'am, instead of a plus b, a square minus b square, we can use x square minus y square.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am.
25a square minus 9b square. So we have to make in the form of a square minus b square. Or x, which method you are following? A square minus b square or what I have to
A square minus
b square. Okay. So we know a square minus b square is what? A square minus b square, we know formula a plus b into a minus b.
A minus
B. So using the formula 25a square. Look at that 25. So sometimes it will be a square of something. Usually that will happen.
Ma'am, 5. 5.
How can we write
5
that?
is minus 3b square. 5a square. 5a square. A square minus 3b square. 5a. 5a, ma'am. 5a minus 3b. 5a the whole square.
Either you have to write first step 5 square a square minus what 3 square b square. Then next step you can write 5a, that square is common. So that means 5a the whole square minus 3b the whole square. This way it is coming. So no need of writing 3 square, 5 square. Directly you can write this one, no? 5 the whole square.
5a db 5a minus 3b.
Okay. So that will be what? 5a plus 3b into what? 5a
minus 3b.
So this is in the form of what? A square minus b square. So write in the working column this one. A square minus b square. So then it will be easy. Here a stands for what? 5a and b stands for what? 3b. If needed means you can write 25a square minus 9b square. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
one, a square minus 2a plus 3b the whole square. Anyone is thinking about a plus b whole square expansion? Anyone is thinking that? Do we want to do that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So we want to expand that, no? A plus b whole square. What is the use of expanding a plus b whole square? Think of that formula. Think of the formula what we have to write. So what A stands for and what B stands for directly we can write without changing the brackets, without using the formula. What formula we have to apply here? We are dealing with which formula? A square minus b square only. So no need to expand that. You are thinking that 2a plus 3b, that is a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. You are thinking about that now. No need of doing that all things. This is in the form of what? Is in the form of
A plus b whole square.
a square minus b square. Isn't it? Where a is equal to a and b is equal to what? 2a plus
3.
that way you
3 plus
here. Okay, here that is better. Here a is equal to a, b is equal to 2a plus 3b. So a square minus 2a plus 3b the whole square we have to find out. So a plus b into a minus b.
Ma'am, a minus 2a.
A minus b. This is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a stands for a and b is equal to 2a plus 3b. So which is equal to a plus b.
A minus
A plus b. A plus b. B. B is what?
2a plus 3b. A plus 3b.
Yeah. 2a plus 3b into a plus b into a minus b. Since two terms are there, we have to put brackets. So 2a plus 3b. Is it okay for all of you? Is there any doubt in this?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then change the bracket, no? Change it. So it will be a plus 2a plus 3b
3b. A minus 2a minus 3b.
minus 3b. Again, we can simplify that.
Two a square plus 3b.
3a, 2a plus a.
2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b.
3a plus 3b.
Hmm?
A plus a.
Ma'am, negative a.
3a.
A plus a is what? A plus 2a is 3a. 3a plus 3b. A minus. Echo is coming now. A minus.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who's that? Mute it. A minus 2a. So it will be negative a minus 3b. Is it okay? Last set.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
3a plus 3b. If needed means from here we can take 3 common. So 3 if we take common, what will be? Next step 3 common, remaining a plus b.
A plus 3b.
One negative also if we want to take we can take. No, negative also we can take. From here.
Negative.
So negative 3 will be there. Negative 3. If we take one negative common means negative 3 we can write as negative 3. Then balance negative we took means so negative a will become positive a and negative 3 will become
Plus 3.
If not
And
getting at least write up to this. Don't make it confused. Okay, up to this you write. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then third question. A square minus 81 into b minus c whole square. So here A stands for what and B stands for?
A stands for A and B stands for 81 into B minus C.
No, that's what I'm asking. Think of that. Before that, you have to rearrange the question. So how can we rearrange that? We should have what? A square.
Ma'am, 81 will transfer to 9.
That is 81 is what? 9 square only 81. No. Isn't it?
Ma'am, A square minus 9 B minus C the whole square.
A square minus
9.
81 means 9 square. No. 9 square B minus C the whole square. That means what? A square minus. That square is common for both the which one? 9 and B minus C. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Nida? Mistake no Nida. Now you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
9 into B minus C the whole square. So this is in the form of, which is in the form of, which is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here, a is equal to a and b is equal to
9b minus c the whole square.
no. Is there any whole square there?
9b minus c.
9 b minus c only.
C.
Anyone have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, write it up to this. Then after that, solve it. A plus b into a minus b. After writing, tell me what I have to write here. A plus b. So b means 9 into b minus a plus b into a minus b. 9 into b minus c. A plus b into a minus b. So a plus 9b minus 9c into a minus 9b plus 9c. All got the answer?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 9c, a minus 9b plus 9c. Okay, can you do question number 4? Try
Yes,
to do.
ma'am.
In your
Okay.
note itself you do. Question number 4. I will give you time. So same way you have to write. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 1 minute, please, Chandra. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. After completing, do question number 4.
Ma'am,
Others, please raise your hands. Completed.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
So what is our answer?
yeah.
Huh? Fourth question. 25 into 2a minus b the whole square minus 81 b square. So 25 into 2a minus b whole square.
Ma'am, 5 2a minus b the whole square. 2a minus b the whole square.
The whole square. That square is common for both the 5 and 2a minus b minus 9.
Minus 9b the whole square.
So this is in the form of a square minus b square. That all things you have written, no? 9 into.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it will be a plus b into a minus b. A means 2a minus b. A plus b.
9b.
Then into a minus b. So 5 into 2a minus b. A minus.
Minus 9b.
Do we want to write in brackets? Why we are not writing bracket here? Sometimes only we are writing bracket. Why we are not writing bracket here? Since it contains only one term, we don't want to bother about that too, no. Since it contains only one term, no need of bracket. 9b is enough. Suppose if it is 9b minus c means what we have to do? We have to start the bracket. Two terms. That means this negative is common for both 9b and c. That's why we are placing the bracket there. Next to change the brackets.
10a minus 5b. 10a minus 5b. 10a minus 5b plus 9b. 10a minus 10a minus 5 minus 9b. Minus
Okay.
10a minus 4b.
10a
Minus 4b.
no.
Ma'am, 40.
Is it 4b positive or negative?
Ma'am, negative 40.
Negative 40.
10a
Plus 4b.
very good. 10a plus 4b. 10a b for negative and positive. One side is positive, other side is negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 9. So positive. Then 10a, negative 5b and negative 9b.
Minus 14b.
Negative 14.
Negative 40.
Negative 14b.
So that is the answer. Negative 14b. Okay.
Minus 14b.
Minus 14b. If we need, we can take which one common? Anything we can take common there. If you need, we can take from here 2. We can take from here also. We can take 2. Up to this is enough. But maximum simplification, if we want to do, means from here we can take which one? From this 2 we can take common. Then balance will be 5 plus 2b.
5a plus 2b.
Into here also from here we can again take 2.
5a minus 7b.
So that numbers together you multiply that. So 2 into 2,
4
4.
5a plus 4b into 5a minus
2b.
2b into
5a minus 7b.
So up to this, all this. Maximum simplification, if you can do it. Since it is sometimes, if it is a multiple choice questions, means answer will be this, means it will be difficult. No. So maximum simplification, if possible, do it. Then question number 5. So we already studied a square minus b square only, no? Then what about question number 5? 50 a cube minus 2a. 50. Square of what is 50? How can we do? A cube is there. We have to apply a square minus b square formula. So what we will do with this? Any idea? If we do something, we will get. Some adjustment if we do, then we will get the answer. So just to try it, how can we? Fourth completed now?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Completed.
5 minus 7.
yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
what?
ma'am.
50a cube minus 2a. 50a cube minus 2a. If we have square, then only we can do. So don't think about the remaining thing. First we can think about that. A square we want. A square. So if we take a common means then a into a square will be there, no? So that part okay. So here, if you took a means nothing will be there. The next is 50. We don't want 50. So what we have to do? 50. 2 also we don't want. Is there anything we can do with that 2? 4 means we can write it 2
Ma'am,
square.
25a square.
If we take what? We don't want this 2.
2a we
Yeah. What are things we don't want that we can take? So what are the things we don't want? A cube is there. We need only square. One more a is there. So we will take that a outside. Then here 2 we don't want. With that 2 simple value, no, lowest value 2. We don't want that. So take that 2 also. So if we take 2a, some adjustment if we do means we will get or not. Just change the bracket. So what we can. If we
Ma'am,
take
25a square.
we need
25 square minus
25a square. Then we will get 25a square. That is 2 into 25 is 50. A into a square is a cube. No change in the value. Then 2a already we took. So remaining what we have to write here?
Ma'am,
1.
1
Minus
One.
1.
Minus 1. Is it okay for you?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, first write this. In your working column, if you want to write something that is 50a cube is there, we have the formula a square minus b square. Here cube is there, so we have to take a common. That all things, if you want, you can write in your working column. While you are studying, you have to know why we are taking these all things, why we can, how we are applying this. That all things, so many confusions will be there. So we need a square. We are having what formula? A square minus b square only we have. So we don't have a cube here. We don't have formula this with a cube and a. So do like that way a square minus b square form we have to adjust our question. Then next rearrange.
Ma'am, 25a square we can write as 5a the whole square.
Square minus 1 means we can write it as 1 square is 1 itself. No.
Yes, ma'am.
This one. This is in the form of what? Is in the form of a square minus b square, where a is equal to 5a and b is equal to 1. So 2a already there. Then a plus b into a minus b.
A came, ma'am.
5a minus 1.
Ma'am.
5a plus 1.
5a plus 1 into 5a minus 1.
And how one square came?
A plus 1 into 5a minus 1. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Number 6.
Ma'am,
Huh?
1 square, how it came? 1 square.
1 square. That means we have the formula a square minus b square now. So a b square also we need. So 1 we can write it as 1 square is 1 itself. No. 1 cube is 1 itself. So make it as a what? Square, then only we can write in terms of our formula. Formula model. Simply writing means you will get confusion. No. So 1 square also needed for a square minus b square. So where is that square? You will think like that way. So rearrange that. Change the question 1 as 1 square. Then to avoid confusion only I wrote a 1 square. A square
Okay,
minus.
ma'am.
Then question number 6. 4a square b minus 9b cube. So some extras are there that we can take common. So what is extra there? We need only square form. So what we don't want that you can take outside.
B.
4 no problem. A square no problem.
B.
Ma'am,
Ah.
B we don't want.
B we don't want.
Why? Because here also one b is extra there. No. B is square only.
Yes,
Here b cube. Here no problem with this 9. 9 means 3 square. So if we take b common, remaining we can write it as 4a square.
A square
Minus
minus 9b square.
9b square. Then this can be written as
Ma'am, 2a the whole square. Minus
minus
whole square.
B the
whole square. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Here a stands for 2a and b stands for what? 3b. A plus b into a minus b. 2a plus 3b into
2a minus 3b.
2a minus 3b. The next question. What we have to take outside? 7th one. Just try it, after that we can do. Keep your rough note with you. So that simple calculations you can do in your rough book. Always keep your rough note with you. So 3 a raised to 5, no? 7th one, 3a raised to 5 minus 108 a cube. What I told you, you don't want anything means
A cube common.
3.
A cube.
Okay, a cube. Okay, a cube we are taking common. Then only a cube.
Ma'am, 3a cube.
3a cube.
3 also we can't do anything. So 3a cube if we take means balance will be 3. We
A
don't
square minus
a square
A
minus
square minus
108.
not
108 divided by 3 we took no. So 3 3s are 9. Balance 1.
Ma'am, 36.
36.
36. 108 divided by 3. We took 3. So 36 only 36. Already we took a cube. No? Anyone have any doubt in this 36 or 3a cube? I think it is clear.
Ma'am,
Ah,
a cube.
Ma'am, once more, could you please explain this?
which one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
this,
this step.
Yes, ma'am. I also need to explain.
so here 3. Can we write 3 in any terms of squares? Which are, can we write 3 as a square? 9 means we can write 3 square. 16 means we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
write 6 square. So then what about 3?
Square.
Nothing we can do, ma'am.
Right.
We can 3.
Ma'am, we can't do anything.
No.
We can't do anything. So
Because-
that we can take
And
common
all.
outside. So outside we take means then a raised to 5 and a raised to 3. The least one we have to take common. So from here 3 and 108, 3 we took. From a raised to 5 and a raised to 3. If it is a square or a raised to 4 means we can write a square minus b square form. But it is an odd number. So from this, which one is the least one? A square or the a cube? A raised to 5. A cube or a raised to 5. A cube is the least one. We don't have formula with a raised to 5 and a raised to 3. We have only formula with a square minus b square only. So cube, that cube also you take outside. Okay. The least one you take outside. Then 3a raised to 5 you have to get. We have only 3a square. So which number should be multiplied to get a raised to 5? 3 into 1, no problem, 3 already there. A raised to 5 we need. We have only a raised to 2. So a raised to m into a raised to n exponents formula we studied. A raised to m plus n. Powers we will add. So we want to get 5. We have only 2. So what number to be?
3.
Power. 3. Then only we will get what? A raised to 2 into a raised to 3 is a raised to 2 plus 3 which is equal to a raised to 5. A raised to 5 we need. So 3a raised to 3 we have. We have 3a raised to 3. So what number to be multiplied? We took a raised to 3.
Ma'am,
A
a
raised
square.
to 2.
A raised to
2.
a square. 3 already there. So 3 a raised to 3 a raised to 2 means 3 a raised to 3 plus 2 is 5 itself. So outside 3a cube we took means remaining in the first term it will become a square. So if we change the bracket we will get what? 3 a raised to 5 itself. Then second term a cube we took. So no need of writing anything, that variables. 108 we took 3 outside. 108 3 we have. 3 into dash is 108. We want to get the answer as 108. We have 3. So what we will do? Dash we had to find out means what we will do? Dash is x, we don't know. Let it be x.
108 divided by 3.
108 divided by 3. Usually we are doing that, no? To find the value of x.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So 3 3s are 9. Balance 1, 6 3s are 18. So that dash stands for what? Dash will be 36. So 36. A cube we took. No need of writing a cube. So it is
x square minus 6 square.
So we will get 3a cube into 36. If we change the bracket, we will get 108 a cube itself. Okay. So then 36 we can write it as
3a cube a square minus 6 square.
6 square. Then 3a cube into a plus
A
B.
plus 6.
to a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. That is a plus 6 into a minus 6. Okay. Okay, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.